Hi, Tikis. Now I am going to demonstrate to draw a simple ER diagram for a university database. So in the year 2025, we are going to use ERD plus tool to draw a simple entity relationship diagram. Before drawing entity relationship diagram, you should be aware of the concepts like entity, attribute, relationship. If you see my previous video, you will understand the notations of ER diagram. So here I am going to draw simple ER diagram for university database. First you need to type the website erdplus.com and you have to sign in with your Google account. It will open like this way and please click on new diagram. Here I am making it as university database and you will click on create. Just click on that one. First you have to click on entity and leave it here. Please term as entity name as. So here relationship can be obtained between student and college. So here this term as student and please select attribute for any student. Roll number is must and please choose another attribute name and choose another attribute like address. Now please select connect and also please connect here. Now please choose relationship and here you need to term as enrolls and please select connect and then now choose another entity. Here you need to term as university or college. Anything is suitable here. Now please choose attributes here you need to term as department and next choose another attribute branch and next choose another attribute room number and you can extend this example with by adding some more attributes based on your requirement and please select connect. Association can be happen between student and university and please complete the remaining symbols. So this is a simple diagram for a university database. The main focus of this diagram to determine the different entities with their attributes respectively. I hope this concept helps you out with the upcoming concepts and please keep watching the next videos. Thank you for watching and whoever did not subscribe, please subscribe and share with your friends. Ask them to subscribe. So thank you for watching.